How to turn off or disable picture-in-picture on YouTube. First, you want to head over to your YouTube's app info and scroll down and tap on picture-in-picture. Make sure to turn this one off. So once you do that, you can tap on appear on top and make sure to turn it off as well. Once you do that, just open your app. From here, tap on your profile and head over to your settings. And from here, tap on General. Once your General settings is open, you can scroll down to see picture-in-picture. It's turned on right now, so you can just toggle this off and it will turn off picture-in-picture. Once you do that, you should be able to enjoy your video normally without having to worry about getting it on picture-in-picture. So that's how you turn off PIP on YouTube. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.